Hello, my name is Max. Welcome to No Code Nerds. Today we're talking about Thunkable. Now, Thunkable is really, really fascinating. I talk a lot about no code app builders on my show and on the No Code Nerd series. Thunkable is basically another app builder without code, right? You don't need any code, any programming experience to build an app with this. It's really, really powerful. That said, this is a bit more complex of a tool because you can do a lot more complicated things. It goes a bit further. It has a lot of really crazy, awesome functionality, but it is this, right? Think about this. When one, two, do this, right? Which is kind of like coding, and that's a really simple example. I'm sure it gets more complicated, but it's kind of like programming logic in no code building, right? So it's very visual, it's very canvassy, it's very easy to kind of use once you get the hang of it. Of course, it's its own kind of native tool made for everybody, but it has a little bit of that programming language in it, right? You don't need to know programming, but I'm just saying that knowing programming would help because then you have like if-then statements, right? This is like a when-do. It's just an if-then statement if you've ever done Python programming or anything like that. So really powerful stuff. You can do a lot of crazy, awesome, functional things with this, and it integrates with a lot of other awesome tools. It's just a really accessible, awesome thing. Also, I love that they have easy animations, which is just great. Yeah, I don't know. I really, really like it. So I think it's a really, really great tool if you want to get a bit more advanced on app building and really developing awesome stuff. But keep in mind, it is a bit more intense of a tool. I have no doubt that anybody could build anything they want with this. It's just going to have a little bit more of a learning curve. That's all I'm saying. So if you want to get started building apps and you want them to be pretty awesome and intense, try Thunkable. I'll see you in the next episode. Let me know if you have any questions on what you could build with Thunkable like this.